Their season in Salem has a distinct sound. This is Simon Says Farms, where goats play the field far beyond the confines of Hartford.
It's called goat snuggles. It's basically goat yoga without the yoga.
Aaron Simon,
I'm the goat guy, I guess.
and wife Liz
This is Otis.
began goat snuggle sessions nearly a decade ago. And now, with a growing social media presence, a live camera community, and 10 acres to offer an escape from the daily stresses, this has become a center for serenity.
Oh, it feels fantastic.
Paradoxically, the weight on your back
It takes the knots right out of your back.
is welcomed here.
Snuggle, just relax, take it all in. It's a really good time.
There's this sense of like almost we force you to slow down. And then it's turned therapeutic, which we didn't really expect that in the beginning. It was more of an educational play. Yeah, we only do it 3 months out of the year now, April, May, and June. It's pretty popular. About 250 people a weekend come through to snuggle with the goats.
Goat tourism is a thing, and people will travel miles just to get their goat.
People come from all over the world. Technically, we've had Canada here, California, Texas, Colorado, multiple times. People have turned it into their yearly vacation.
Our sessions sell out. We start selling tickets in February, and by the time the babies are born, the first month of Goat Snuggles is sold out.
And down on the farm, the idea is to raise spirits.
You could be in the worst mood and have a really bad day and come over, they make you laugh.
We love our goats, but it's amazing to see how many people out there love our goats as well.
In Salem, Jim Altman, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.